welcome to the channel. Today we're in the shop and just got back from vacation and looking at all the parts that arrived while I was out. The wife and I went up to Big Bend National Park in Texas in a camper. It was kind of a thrilling experience. But came back to a bunch of parts that I had ordered with all the sales, and we've got some unboxing to do. So I'll take you through that. First project this year, or at least a project this year, will be putting together a TLR 8X to run at local track. This will be my first go at a 1/8 scale. So package arrived for two bodies from J Concept. Figured if I'm gonna paint one, might as well paint two and get that going. We got TLR 8TI turnbuckles as well. These are from Promotion RC. Bought these at Amings, and then also got a bearing kit. So it's turnbuckles, bearings, body, everything else has arrived. We'll go through those parts as I open those, get ready through that package, but these are what arrived recently. Next up, I've got a bunch of XT90 connectors. Up on the shelf, you can see there is a, there it is. There's a Losi Del Rey 2.0. It's a great looking truck, but it's 3S capable, and there's only one battery that fits it. So we're gonna make a few changes, an adapter or two, so I can use some other batteries. Because it has an XT90 hard mounted to the body, needs some form of connector to use smaller batteries, as the case only fits a two cell size, scope, shape. One of the next projects to tackle is the slashes. There's 3 slashes up on the wall. The orange one at the top has some really rough shocks on the rear for the local track. Bottoms out every time. Change fluids. Just need to change some springs at this point. So we've got 7448 and 7449, which are front shocks with, front and rear shocks in blue. And then I've got the 7447, which is the rear in red. And I have a set of pink for the fronts already. Bought those a while ago, but at the moment I think the reds are the ones that it's going to need for the rear to get around the track without bottoming out over all the jumps. Also have a new spur gear for the differential, or the center differential. This one's a 54. Keep burning up the 52s. Thinking a 54 might be the right way to go. So this is Traxxas 3956R. And if the Traxxas doesn't hold up, I've got a Hot Racing metal spur gear, same size, 54 tooth, that will give a whirl. I'd rather stick with plastic. It doesn't tear up as much, but if I keep tearing up spur gears and pinions, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth and assume it's my driving style that probably requires a little bit more finesse and a little bit more robust drivetrain. Other projects we've got, I took advantage of the blaster that was on sale. That was the 1/10 scale buggy, sideless BX3. It's up here. I've had good luck with it. Parts are kind of hard to come by when you go ahead and tear up anything, because you're either buying them from Europe or waiting for Amen to have it in stock. I blew out a bulkhead last time on a really bad jump. So I've got the new front shock tower ready to go in. And we'll go ahead and install that in one of the upcoming videos. Miscellaneous stuff that I've got. Some pinion gears arrived. I've got an offset, 6mm offset for one of the crawlers. Oddly enough, these are our standard size, and unfortunately the wheels on the HG407, the Bruiser clone, does not have 2.5mm threads. It's got 2mm threads, so I don't know what I'm going to do to correct that offset. Apparently I bought one-off wheels from Hobby Soul, and they use 2mm, and everybody else uses 2.5. So those are my challenges. That's what's on the bench. Have a quick unboxing. Let's see what Amazon delivered. Should be a tool. That's exactly it. I was waiting on these are the electronic super snips in onyx steel from Nipix. These are a lot smaller than I was expecting, but I guess they'll get the job done. So got a new pair of snips, or side cutters, however you want to call them. My first branded ones, so Nipix side cutters. Looking forward to seeing how these cut. And then the last project I've got is a Rlaarlo. I bought the Subaru Raleigh car. I'm sorry, the unlicensed Subaru Raleigh car, and this was on early release. I haven't opened it yet, so we'll open this real quick. We'll take a look, see what's inside, and later on today I'll get a running video of it. We'll get some stats, facts, find out everything that we got. So, everything I've seen so far, this is a really good looking car. We will get this open. It's been opened already. Wondering if Customs opened it. Yeah, all my official. Oh, that's a shame. Anyways, all the official items were, looks like they were open, but freebies in the box. What we got? We have an accessory center. These look like just additional posts, body posts. Got hub carriers, these aluminum hub carriers, really nice. What is this? A servo carrier or servo holder in aluminum. Nice. Some extra drive shafts and CVDs. Front and rear, I'm guessing. Looks like we've got some inner fenders, additional shock springs, a manual with someone's hair, some stickers, looks like a diff with a center diff, or center diff. What would that be? Looks like there's a slipper clutch. What else we got in there? Charging cable, battery cables, and a hefty manual. decals, sticker sheets, left and right side. Remote. What is this? It's a nice hefty remote. Looks like a 3-channel. It's got a light button and gyro control. Feels good in the hand. A little cheap feeling, but phone and single driving. Also includes a battery, a remote, just one. Not quite sure how that's going to work in here, but we'll figure that one out. Otherwise, it takes 4 AA batteries, sorry. And then last up, we have. Oh, it's not good when you hear the metal fall out. There's something already on the floor. Okay, cool. And then get yourself the car. Now it's sharp looking. It's a really good looking car. It's a really good looking car. That is a great blue color. It's got 2 drivers inside, or a driver, I guess, and a navigator, a map. That is a very sharp looking body on the car. Let me go ahead and get this off and I'll be right back. Well, taking the body, taking it off the cardboard, body has metal chassis. It's a nice aluminum chassis and bronze plastic wheels. These tires are somewhat stiff, probably the right texture. The body stays on with these body tabs. Unfortunately, mine shipped